Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome back to Magical Droplets by Chital Shah. Today, we are doing a pick a card reading for receiving weekly guidance for the week from June 22, 2020 to June 28, 2020. We have three piles of group with us: pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Select a pile for your guidance. If you want, pause the video for a few seconds and then receive the guidance and go to the timestamps mentioned below. All those people who have selected pile number 1, this is your reading. Let's begin. So, the first card we have for this week is Ground Yourself. So with this card, the angels are telling you to ground yourself this week. As you ground yourself and spend some time in nature, nature will begin to shower its abundance on you. Along with grounding, you will find more peace in your life and you will begin to experience the wonderful beauty and the abundance of nature in your life. So the next card for this week we have is Transformation. Wow, what a beautiful card to have been received. So as you can see, in both of these cards we have butterflies present. Both the butterflies represent transformation, and this week, along with this, as the solar eclipse have been done, so this week is a week of transformation. The angels are guiding you to transform and move to a new, better place. As you can see, the flowers are surrounded while the angel is standing here, and over here there is a beautiful color sequence over here with the angel. So the goddess butterfly maiden along with this angel are telling you to ground yourself and move towards a better new place. This week is going to be a transformation not only for your love life but also for your career and different areas of your life. The angels are asking you to absorb in the nature and be open to the changes that are coming your way. The next card we have from the romance angels is Calling in Your Soulmate. So you see, the transformation is with regards to your love life. Your soulmate is coming along in this week and you will receive some wonderful message with regards to your love life. Your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. So your wait is now over, and this week you are going to hear some beautiful, wonderful news with regards to your love life, and your soulmate is tapping into your life. And the next card we have from the Angel Answers Oracle cards is Romance. So what a beautiful sequence of cards you have received. Pile 1. This week is truly being a week of transformation and moving towards a better place in your love life. The romance angels are here and your soulmate is coming in this week. So this week be ready to have a beautiful transformation in your love life and move towards a better loving partner who will not only love and support you but would be with you in each and every moment of your life. Okay, so we have one card from the Osho Zen Tarot cards, which represents the inner shadow work that you need to do in this week. So let's see the card. So again we have the card of transformation. This card is with this card the angels are telling you that be open to transformation. There is nothing such as good, bad, and everything is working out for the best. Though some things might not have been right in your life right now, but with this week things are going to get better and better for you. Accept the transformation, accept the change that is coming on in this week, and see how beautiful life turns out to be. So pile number 1, this was your guidance for this week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Magical Droplets. Thank you. Pile number 2, welcome back. Let's head straight to your reading for this week, June 22 to June 28, 2020. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends and family so that maximum people can be reached out and receive their guidance through our readings and through our work. Thank you. So, group number 2. The first card we have received for group number 2 is acceptance. Oh, okay. So the angels here are telling you to see yourself and others through the eyes of the angels with unconditional love and acceptance. In this way, you inspire and lift everyone to their highest potentials. So with this card, the angels are telling you to accept yourself and others and see everyone in the eyes of love and in the eyes of the angels. Everyone is playing and being their best part. No one wants to be a bad person or do something that adversely affects people. So if there is someone in your life or someone this week who is not doing something that is for your highest good, accept them and send them love. Once you accept how they are and how they are behaving with you, you will see things will start unfolding and getting better. Send them lots of love so that they are able to reciprocate the love that you have sent them, and things start getting better and better for you. So there are so many angels over here. So don't forget to accept people and yourself the way you are. Trying to change things is not going to help you or them, and will only create lots of insecurities and troubles in your life. So accepting people and sending them lots of love would really help you to grow in your life. Also, gratitude is an amazing tool that you can use to increase the abundance in your life in all areas. So the next card we have for group number 2 is from Goddess Green Tara, which says start delegating. So Goddess Green Tara over here tells you that ask others, including her, to help you instead of trying to do everything by yourself. So with this card, Goddess Green Tara is sending you a message that don't try to accomplish things on your own. Doing things on your own and working very hard doing it, and then in the end getting disappointed that things are not materializing or going in the way that you would like to go, is really creating lot of low vibration energies and troubles in your aura. So calling in Goddess Green Tara and asking for her help and assistance, along with asking your friends and family to help you in your work, would really take things ahead and make things in life easy for you. Once you start delegating things to different people and ask the angelic realm for their help and assistance, along with asking the divine for their divine intervention, things will start flowing so smoothly and so easily that you would really think and ask yourself, why didn't you ask for their help and assistance previously? So this is a message from Goddess Green Tara to you to ask for the help and assistance and start delegating things. The next card we have from the Romance Angels for your love life, which says attraction. Wow. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So with this card, the Romance Angels are telling you that like attracts like, and as you are being someone, the same partner would be attracted to you. So if you want someone who gives you lots of love, be a person who gives lots of love to everyone around them. If you are looking for someone who really acknowledges who you are, try being the person that you are. Your thoughts, feelings and vibrations are affecting your love life, and once you start being in a vibration that you would like your partner to be, things will start flowing and you will attract the right kind of partner in your love life. So the next card we have for this week from the Angel Answer Oracle cards deck is look for a sign. So with this card, the angels are telling you to look for signs and messages which they are sending you. Oftentimes it so happens that the angels send us messages through feathers or overheard conversation or some message that keeps on popping or pictures that keep on popping on our phones, on our computer screens. screens or in our heads that we ignore. But the angels today are telling you that this week look for a sign from the universe. They are giving you some messages with regards to your love life and also your career, which you have been ignoring lately. And once you ask for their help and assistance, and you look for active signs that will guide you to the next step that you need to take in your love life and in your career. As you look for signs, the signs would be guidance to the next steps that you would have to take in your life, and which would take you further ahead in your life. So the next card we have is from the Osho Zen Tarot card, which would be the inner work that you would have to do in your life. So the next card we have is the Courage card. Okay, so with this card, the angels are telling you to have courage and not be disheartened that things are not going up. Things are going so beautifully ahead in your life. And once you have that faith and courage in yourself, you will grow from this to this and much better. Having the faith and confidence in yourself and believing that you can achieve everything that you set your heart on to will really manifest things beautifully this week. So with the guidance for this week in short is start delegating and be the person you would like to have as a life partner, so that you attract a similar partner in your love life. So this attraction card not only applies for your romantic life but for your work and career as well, and all areas of your life. As you be someone who attracts as you be someone that you would like to have around you, you will start attracting more such people in your life. Also, as you send positive affirmations, positive visualizations in the universe, the same will start attracting into yourself. So do not have any negative thoughts, feelings or emotions or fear-based energies in and around you this week, as this week is a wonderful week to receive the things with the law of attraction being in a quite prominent force this week for pile number 2. So look for sign and have the courage to act on the guidance which you receive from the sign, so that things start moving for you, pile number 2. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends and family so that maximum people can be reached out. Thank you. Hello group number 3, welcome back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends and family so that maximum people can receive their guidance and benefit from the spiritual work that we do. Thank you. So pile number 3, let's begin with your reading. So the first card we have for pile number 3 is assertiveness. Wow. So the angels are telling you that this situation can be healed gently and with love, as you have requested. Yet there's also a need for your strength and truthfulness. And with the other people involved, we will stand right behind you as you speak your truth, giving you strength and guiding your work. So the angels are telling you to be assertive. Do not let fear-based energy come in and around you. Do your prayers, visualizations and affirmations this week, because as you put and show your energy to the universe will give it back to you. So don't forget to be assertive and spread the positive vibrations that you are and that you receive from your soul. Do not let any fear-based energies come in and around you, as it would affect you adversely. So the next card we have for pile number 2 is from Mother Mary. Expect a miracle. Wow, what a beautiful card to have been received from Mother Mary. So with this card, the Mother Mary is asking you to expect a miracle. You have done your groundwork, you have done your prayers, your visualizations, your law of attraction, rituals and everything that you could to possibly attract a miracle which is now coming in your life. Be open to receiving the miracle. Just when the miracle is unfolding, don't try to stop it by going into the negativeness or the fear-based energies that can crop up with interactions from other people or hearing news or other things. Be open to receiving the miracle and actualizing it in your life, because when the miracle unfolds, you will see a beautiful thing that is given to you, gifted to you, that you did not expect to receive so soon. So be open and let the universe bless you infinitely. So the next card we have is from the Romance Angels to receive your guidance for your love life, which says engagement. Wow, group number 3. So with this card, the angels are telling you that this week your love life is ascending to a different level. Your partner is ready to make a commitment with you, and he is ready to take this relationship to a new level. Also with this card, the guidance that I am receiving right now is start engaging with your partner more often. The angels feel and are telling me right now that things are not going well right now and you are not engaging with your partner too much. So as you start engaging with them, things will start unfolding better. Engaging with your partner often and doing activities that both of you enjoy together, and not only a thing that you enjoy, would really be helpful to take this relationship to a different level and bring back the love and the joy that has been missing for quite some time. Also in this foreign time and lockdown in major parts of the world, which has been for the last 2-3 months, engagement and engaging in different hobbies and activities which both the partners enjoy would really take the love life to another level and bring back the romance that has been missing, and bring back the spark that you really would love and enjoy in your romantic life. For those of you who are asking whether your partner will commit to you or not, this card signifies a yes, and he'll be ready to take things on another level. So with Mother Mary expecting a miracle to move to the next step is what is asked and required, is what is coming this week. Also, but don't forget to be assertive in your day-to-day life, as fear will really take a toll on what is coming ahead in your life, and with fear-based energy things will start breaking down and start stopping, and your miracles would not come this week. So the next card we have from the Angel Answer Oracle card deck is Meditation Brings Answers. Okay, so with this card the angels are telling you to meditate. If there is some area of your life where you are not receiving guidance, or where the guidance or the area of life which is stuck right now, go into meditation and ask the angels for their help and assistance. As you meditate and go into that Zen state, the universe will start blessing you with lots of answers and guidance that about the steps you need to take forward to move ahead in your life. So don't forget to meditate this week to receive your guidance for any areas of your life which are stuck right now. So the next card we have is from the Osho cards deck. So the next card we have for the day is to work on our inner self, which comes from the Osho Zen Tarot cards. So let's see the card. Wow, it says laziness. This card signifies 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment card. So with this card, the angels are telling you that expecting a miracle to have abundance in your life and to live a fulfilled life is coming your way. If there is something that is stuck right now, go into a meditative state to find the answers, and be rest assured this week is going to be very fulfilled, very content for you, and everything is going to fall out in amazing places for you. So I hope you enjoyed this reading, pile number 3. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with maximum number of people. Bye guys.